She changed a few of the words, okay? But not a bunch. We had to change it so it rhymed better. Okay, are you ready? Go ahead, my beautiful.
I would like to fly in a rocket with black jelly beans in my pocket. Mercury is the planet I think is fun because it is closest to the sun. It's unique and circles the sun lickly split, which means it can move crazy quick. It is sometimes cold and sometimes hot. Each crater reminds me of a polka dot. I will fill a bucket full of crater dust and use it to make pizza crust. Then I'll hop back into the rocket and eat the black jelly beans in my pocket.